friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, and welcome to another Foodie Friday. This is the first Friday of every month that we do a collaboration video, and we get to share any types of recipes that we want. So I think you'll find lots of great ideas that you can make for your family. So I'm going to leave the link below in the description box of the playlist, and please go and check everyone's channels out. I have lots of YouTube friends who make some really delicious recipes, and I think you might enjoy them as well. And it is being hosted by Tiffany at Small Town 6 and Jessica at Jessica My Rose. They both have great content, as I've said before, on their channels. You will love their channels. I don't have a doubt about it. They have lots of great food content, grocery hauls, lifestyle type content. They're really two sweet women. Please go and check their channels out. The links will be down below in the description box along with that playlist, so please be sure to go and check that out because this is a collaboration, so it is other YouTube friends making videos as well, and I think you will find some good recipes. My channel, it mainly consists of a lot of food content, so you'll find grocery hauls, recipes, what I cooked for dinner type videos, but I also do some day in the life videos that I'm starting to do. And I do some unboxings, or if I go to the store or something, I may show you, different hauls or things like that. So that's the type of content I have on my channel. If you like that, please click that subscribe button down below. I would absolutely love to have you here and become a part of my YouTube family. Now I'm going to show you a quick and easy recipe that I found on Pinterest, and I hope that you enjoy the video. For this Foodie Friday, I am making a recipe with boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and it doesn't have a name, but I will link the recipe down below for you. But I'm going to put these in the oven on a sheet pan. In the recipe, I think she put it in a casserole dish, but I think I'm just going to put it on a sheet pan. And I'm also going to make some potatoes and some asparagus on another sheet pan in the oven. So it should be a pretty quick and easy meal to make. So what you will need is 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I did put a little bit of garlic powder on them. You do not need to do that. The recipe said just salt and pepper is good, but I'm a garlic lover, so garlic powder had to go on there, even though garlic is in this recipe. But I am going to put a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 4 cloves of garlic minced. You will need a teaspoon of brown sugar packed, so just a teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, some crushed pepper, just put a little bit in it, just a pinch, and just some black pepper to season as well. So very simple and easy. I'm going to show you how quick and easy this part of the recipe is. For this recipe, like I said, it cannot get much easier. What you will do is take your mustard and put that in a bowl. Everything's just going to go into one bowl. Add the oil, your balsamic vinegar. Then you're going to add your minced garlic and the brown sugar, and I like to break it up just a little bit so that way it's not too solid when it goes in. So just mix that in, then just mix it up in the bowl. Hopefully this will be enough for that chicken. You can double this if you want. So just mix it up, and it's just going to kind of make a little bit of a paste, a little bit of a sauce. Now I am going to add just a tiny bit more of the balsamic vinegar. Just a little bit, just to loosen it up just a little bit. I feel like it needs it. And then it just says to pour it on top. You will coat the chicken with the marinade and just kind of make sure every side gets that sauce on it. But put it on a sheet pan or in a casserole dish, whichever you prefer. And I'm putting the rest of the garlic that was in the bowl, there was still some in there, and I'm just going to spread that on top of the chicken and any of the marinade that was left in there. But you can marinate this for a couple of hours or overnight, which would be better. But I only had a little bit of time, so I just did it right away. But I would definitely marinate it longer. This is boneless, skinless chicken, so it's not going to take as long as bone-in chicken will take. But I want to give this a head start before I put the asparagus and the potatoes in, because I don't think those are going to take quite as long. So I'm going to do that now on 375, and then as soon as I get the potatoes and the asparagus ready, I'm going to put that in the oven as well. Now, it did not finish recording what I was doing with the potatoes. I just cut those up in half and added some avocado oil to it, so that way the seasoning would stick to the potatoes. And I used, it's an onion butter seasoning I got at Walmart, and a New Orleans Cajun seasoning from Weber, and also a garlic and herb seasoning that is McCormick. Parchment paper, put it on a sheet pan. Hopefully I'm going to have enough room. I don't know. I think I meant to put the chicken on this one and everything else on the other one. So, yeah, I made a mistake, but that's okay because I didn't have enough room anyway. So, I think what I'm going to do is just put the potatoes on this, and I may do the asparagus, I think, in my air fryer. So, sometimes things happen. You got to improvise and go with it. So I'll try to turn these over so I can season them just a little bit more. Hopefully these will be okay. Like I said, sometimes you get in a hurry and you start doing things and you're just like, oh. But like I said, that was a lot of chicken, big pieces of chicken, so I don't think they would have all fit on this one anyway. And I don't want to use another sheet pan, so I think I'm just gonna, like I said, put the asparagus in the air fryer, and I think that'll be fine. Hopefully. Whatever seasonings you like on your potatoes or whatever vegetables you're gonna have. Not everybody likes, the seasonings I use, so that's okay. I mean, my family does, but I know some people don't like certain spices and things. But that's all I'm gonna do for that. I'm gonna put this in the oven now while that chicken's cooking, and then I'm gonna just season up some asparagus and probably do that in the air fryer, and that'll make things go a little bit quicker. And as I mentioned before, I'm gonna put this in the air fryer. I will spray it with some more avocado oil. This is probably the better oil to spray when you're using your air fryer. I think the other ones, like Pam and stuff, tends to can ruin the coating in your fryer. But I have a little liner that I'm using right now just to kind of keep this maybe a little cleaner. We'll see. Easy cleanup. But I'm just going to toss that a bit. And I'll add a little bit of salt. Like I said, I'm using a little bit more salt because for this, I feel like that needs it as well. You don't have to saturate it, but I think it needs just a little bit. And I do add this roasted garlic and herb on it because I find it tastes good. You add what you want. Also add a little bit of garlic powder to it, which I feel like adds to it as well. So you add what you like with your, like I said, I love garlic no matter what food I'm eating, pretty much garlic is it. Savory foods. But as I said, add things that you like to season, for your family, because that's what's important, is what they enjoy. And I'm just giving you an idea here of what, you can do. So very simple and easy. And not everybody likes asparagus either, but I think it's good. I like it charred a little bit, so hopefully I can get that when I do this in the air fryer. Put a little bit more. But that's going to be it for getting this prepped. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like once everything is completely done. And this is the end result, and it was delicious. The chicken, I felt could have been marinated longer. Like I said, I cooked it kind of right then and there, but to marinate it, it would the flavors would be there a little bit more. My husband enjoyed it. He said he liked it. He didn't have a problem with that. The potatoes and the asparagus were seasoned really good. Like I said, when you add the seasonings you like, I think things turn out pretty good. But I would definitely marinate the chicken just a little bit longer for my taste. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and that notification bell. And please don't forget to check the playlist down below in the description box, along with Tiffany and Jessica's channels. But I hope that everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.